So guys, as you know, Realme X7 series is set to launch on September 1st, the company announced on Wednesday through a teaser posted on Weibo. This video is really going to interesting, so watch till last. If you're new, then subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for getting daily gadgets videos without search. So let's unbox it. So here you can see the outer presentation of box, which is really good. Now open this box by help of cutter. After opening first, here you can see the SIM ejector pin with some paper materials. Finally you can see our smartphone here. Keep it aside and see others accessories, and here you can see 65 watts fast charger with USB-C type cable. Now let's focus on our device. Design of phone is really impressive. On back side here you can see quad camera setup, a Realme branding logo. Let's see its specifications in detail. As per display here you can see the Realme X7 series will come with 120Hz 6.5-inch AMOLED display. Here battery is 4500 mAh. As per performance here you can see 6GB RAM with 128 internal memory. As per camera setup, in which you can see 32 megapixel punch hole selfie camera, and around the back we'll get a quad camera setup, which will be a combination of 164MP, 18MP and 22MP modules. The 8MP camera will likely have an ultra-wide angle lens, while the 22MP cameras could be macro and depth sensor units. This phone's weight is nearly 185 grams, so this is for today. Let me know your opinion on this phone in comment box. If you want to see more details, information like price, launch date, then check out the link below. So see you soon in next video. Have a great day.